Hi, I'm Chef Marcelo Scoffman, and today we are going to prepare a very simple snack, the famous cheese rolls from the Southland of New Zealand. The ingredients are 1 small chopped onion, 400 milliliters of fat milk, 1 pack of onion soup, 200 grams of a tasteful grated cheese, a slice of bread, salt and pepper. And instead of butter, we are going to use extra virgin olive oil, ALLEGRO. The New Zealand cheese rolls is considered one of the most sacred treasures of the country. The first recipes are from the early 30s, but today you can find this simple preparation in any cafe, bar, restaurant from the Southland of New Zealand. So, let's do it! A dash of olive oil in a saucepan. You put the onion, delicious! Once it's creamy, like this, we are going to grease a baking pan. And then we are going to prepare the rolls. Spread it on the bread. Now, to the oven. Let's bake it. Yes! And here we have the famous New Zealand cheese rolls made with extra virgin olive oil, ALLEGRO. Delicious!